Hi, it's Cinzia from Digital Media Stream here. Today I'm gonna show you how you can preview your ads directly on the Google Ad platform without the need to use Google search. So if you want to see how your ad appear on the search results, it's better to use this tool rather than Google, because you will see exactly the same results, but the results won't affect your performance stats, like for example impressions. So you can go to Tools and Setting at the top menu of Google. From there you can click Ad Preview and you will land on this page. Here you can select a specific keywords. So you want to see whether your ad is going to appear for that specific keywords, and then you can select the location, the language, and the device. So if we search for analytics tools, for example, Google is going to show you how your ad is showing for that specific keywords. If the ad is not showing, it means you are not using those keywords, or you are using the keywords in the wrong way. So on the Results tab, Google will show you all the recommendation, and he will tell you why your ads is not showing on Google. And on the Preview tab, it's going to show you how your ad look like if your ads appear. So this tool is really useful and is also free to use. So I highly recommend using this to check if your ad is showing on a specific location and for specific keyword, but also for all devices and so on. Thank you for listening.